Hey guys, my name's Andy. I'm going to be doing question number 17. So for this question, I think what really tripped me up was the fact that I didn't really know what B in the x direction was. A way to approach this would be to assume that B in the x direction is 0. So what we do is we set the original force equation, which is F equals QV cross B. These are vectors. And then, so I use what I'm given. I'm given that F equals that, and VI is equal to that. So I plug that in, and I say F naught over root 2 in the J direction minus the K direction equals Q V naught I cross Bx in the x direction, By in the j direction, and then Bz in the k direction. So then what I want to do is I want to find the cross products of these individually and then figure out the signs. So I end up with K, I cross J, or I cross I. This, we're assuming that's going to be its minimal case, which is B0. So then what I do is I say I cross J should be K. So it should be By in the K direction minus I cross K. It should be plus. But because I cross K is negative J, I do Bz in the negative J direction. So then what I do is I'm going to try and find the individual the values for B, By, and Bz. So By is, you solve for it, so you set the equal to, so B F naught root 2 in the J direction equals negative K V naught in the Z direction, right? So then you solve for Bz, which gives you F naught over root 2, negative F naught over root 2 Q V naught. And I do the same thing for the J direct, or the K direction. So it's negative F naught over root 2 in the K direction equals Q V naught I. By in the K direction. So then what I do is I divide this all over, solve for By. So then I get negative K F naught over root 2 B divided by root K. Oops, sorry. So I pretty much just solve for V, BV, and BZ. So to find the total magnitude, I do root bx squared plus by squared. So then with that, I just substitute it in there, and then I square them and I add them, and that should give me the absolute minimal case. So the magnitude of B should be greater than or equal to that, assuming that B, that was a righto. This should be BC. But if Bx equals anything, it should be, the magnitude should be greater. So this is the minimal case. So with that in mind, I solve for that, and I end up getting value for C, which is the magnitude should be greater than or equal to F naught divided by Q over V naught. Alright, thanks guys.